Hi, I'm Marianne Ramos, principal of Channel Islands High School. I've been fortunate to be able to serve students, parents, and communities for the last 19 years. And for those 19 years, I've held different roles. I've been a teacher, a counselor, and most recently, the Director of Instructional Support Services for the Oxnard Union High School District. As the new principal of Channel Islands High School, there's not much change that I'm going to impart, mainly because the global pandemic has done a lot of that for us. Most of our students and teachers and staff have experienced such drastic change in their lives. And so when students, teachers, and staff come back, what I would like to do is to make sure that they know that when they come to Channel Islands High School, they are welcomed, safe, and supported. Thanks to Measure A funding, every single classroom is being modernized. When students come on campus, they're going to notice a bit of construction, and that is happening actually everywhere on campus. And we're excited about it. It's going to be a challenge that we are going to have to face together, but it's one that is so worth it. Because in the end, all of our classrooms will be modernized. Our buildings, our cafeteria, not only will we have new furniture, but more importantly, something to address all of those heat days that we have and make it difficult to learn in, air conditioning. It is my priority to make sure that everyone that walks onto this campus knows that we will take care of them. Whatever their needs are, we will address them in a way that puts students first in the center of all our decisions.